defensive players. You guys were the MVPs of today. I'm sorry I was talking to the wrong camera. I just looked at the one with lights. I guess I'm like a fly. I'm just attracted to the light.
You got the right one now.
So, yes, thank you to our defense. You guys balled out today.
Made it to Green Bay, kind of, sort of. A lot of delays of game day, if you know what I mean. If you've been watching NBC 10 Philadelphia, you know about these travel delays. They are not for the week. So we had a little canceled flight in Chicago. Shout out Mike, big Eagles fan, watches Birds Huddle every day. We love that. He really helped me out. Got a rental car. Now going to Milwaukee. It's snowing. I'm not the best driving in snow, but everything is going to be fine. I'm not worried. It's almost game day. We're going to make it. We are here, Lambeau Field. Honestly, it's not too cold, but Eagles are prepared. Eagles sidelines right now. They got the heaters going. They got it going to the bench as well, so they're ready.
Philadelphia cream cheese heads. That is what you need to see. This one's coming back from Philadelphia for the wintertime, buddy.
The first Eagle on the field. What am I not at?
Smith, 36 yards and a Philadelphia touchdown.
We talk a lot about complimentary football so far this season. What did you see from the Eagles defense today?
About that defense, right? At one point, I thought the game might end 3-0. I started thinking, have I ever been part of a game that ended 3-0? But that's what it takes, man. There's going to be times where, it's going to take us on offense to put 30 and 40 points up. And, if they don't score touchdowns, it's hard to lose a football game. So.
The Eagles team leaving at Lambeau Field with 7 wins on the season. The Eagles defense dominant here against the Packers. Multiple players showing up in big moments. Eagles offense only took one drive, really, to beat the Packers. Saquon Barkley, Devontae Smith. Message in the locker room, obviously you'd like to get this going earlier on in the game. It's something we've been paying attention to most of the season, but this place is not easy to win at.